Good morning. I was going to do a video today. I've only got my camera phone. We're back on 464. Probably the hottest day of the year. 72:08. Went to Haslingden. 14 minutes past his departure time. It's a scorcher of a day. I'm on a blue bus today. I've got a blue Versa. So that's a little bit better. It's been 3 days and 20 hours. I don't know what that song's meant to be. So yeah, it's been one of the Valley Lines left yesterday. Engineering manager. It's not engineering manager. The engineer Baz just showed me a great video of it.
Okay.
Driver hot. Thank you. So yeah, it's one of those. Yard looks lovely when it's hot. I think it's come from that position there. Ranging habit. Let's fire up the bus. Get the Transora device. But yeah, it's a bit sad really to see him go. I might see if I can snag something from one of the buses, from one of the Valley Lines. I might go and ask like Frank or something if I can get some like a bit of a memento. Overall, this looks not too bad. So into it. Again, I generally just thought, well, being artist day here, I might not be best of mood to record, but we'll try and see what we get. Shout out to Broden. Is it Broden? Brody? Brogan? I'm really sorry if I got your name wrong. A gentleman came and approached me today and said he'd love a shout out. He watches my videos all the time. So shout out to Broden, Brody, Brogan. I've written it down. I'm sorry if I've got it wrong. But yeah. Good day. Scorefully hot. First section of the journey complete. Very, very warm today. Very warm. Air conditioning's failed in the cab, but not like an unnecessary thing. Got plenty of water. Just keep rehydrating. Yeah. Feels like there's loads of buses missing today. Not too sure why. But yeah, at Rochdale. 7 minutes on stand, and then off to Rawtenstall Accy. There's an She's Electric Oasis bus, and I've missed it twice now. Kind of beautiful. Right, let's see how we get on later on. Just casually waiting for my 464 to come in. I don't know where it is. Should have been here by now. What time is it? Red Express looking very hot. We'll see what time it turns up at. 59 parked up. Might have a wander inside. See what the board says. It's going to get hotter now. So, third one on out. 236 is off out. It is crackingly hot. 1869 on stand 8. I am sat in the glorious sun. Probably going to burn. Been a heck of a day today. I don't think it's been that busy. I think people are actively avoiding it. I don't think I've taken more than like 20 people per journey. Again, a little bit of a different insight. Obviously, I'm using my camera phone. Malcolm Hussein, Majora Hussein Malcolm has just pulled in on the main line. I can't remember what number that is actually. Stagecoach 59 coming in now. Reasonably been like busy in Accy. All pubs are full. I see we seem to be ferrying people to get them a nice drink. I'd hate to be on a decker today. Absolutely hate it. Could not do that today. So yeah, it's been reasonable. I don't think I've took more than like 40 quid. Most people paying the card. Get them all up to Rochdale now. Last one, Rochdale to Accrington. Sun's at its highest, I think now. Definitely its hottest. So yeah, we'll see how we get on when we get to Rochdale. So day's over. 84 quid. It's got a cooler. New bus. probably can show you now. They're all over Facebook, so yeah. Go and cash in. Got a lot busier. Last one were crazy busy. Yeah, just go and cash in, catch up in a sec. It's been a long day. Been a long day. But yeah, Woods are here. Dropping off an ADL. I wonder if it's 5112 that. Let's see from here. $5.11. It's not the one that had a drove the other day. It was a bit weird. Something wrong with like there were legal letters missing, I think, and back panel didn't look right. But yeah, Woods have dropped that off. 2767s. I don't know if it's broken. They were trying to tweak with it earlier today. I just didn't get it going. Very well, sir. I think it was Woods that rescued me. Oh, I thought, when I park at car park, I'll park it with tree line. The cooler. I don't think it's gonna be. See how hot it is. Yeah. Whoever's on late tonight are in for it, honestly. Staff are in for it tonight. Because of the amount of people that are drinking now, it's just ridiculous. I mean, there's gonna be loads of problems with people. But look how red and hot and sweaty I am. Excuse me. Yeah. Yeah, my car's hot. I'm gonna do the thermodynamic thing that I learned the other day. Thank you to YouTube. Right, I'm going to leave you with my shoddy camera work, and I'll see you next week, or next time I do one of these. Enjoy.